Hi there, students. Jentacular. Jentacular. This means about early morning breakfast. It's an adjective. Or immediately after you get up, or done in the early morning. So remember, this is an adjective, not a noun. So you could have a jentacular cup of coffee. Now, you need to be really careful with this word. This is a word for you collectors of unusual words out there. It's obsolete. I don't think anyone much really uses this. And it's very, very rare. It's very unusual. It sounds very posh and very formal. So if you use this word jentacular, native speakers are going to go, what? What does that mean? I think jentacular, it also sounds incredibly posh. Yeah. So, yeah, you might want to use it to add a bit of spice to something you're saying. So, an adjective saying of breakfast or early morning. I went for my daily jentacular run before breakfast. A jentacular sunrise accompanied my toast and Earl Grey tea. Okay, so an adjective. This word comes from Latin. There's a Latin word, jentaculum, which talks about breakfast, which you have immediately after you get up. Okay, it's not get up and do lots of things. It's immediately after you get up. So, jentacular, pertaining to breakfast, early morning. Done in the early morning, done first thing. So I must do my jentacular ablutions. I mean, this word, it sounds incredibly formal. I might just give it a 9 or even a 10 in formality. Yeah, it sounds really posh and people aren't going to understand it, so be aware you're going to have to explain it to them. But if you're a collector of words, this is a wonderful word for you. Okay, jentacular, of breakfast. Yeah, my jentacular flexing before I have my jentacular coffee and toast with jam. So there you go, an unusual word, jentacular. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Jentacular.